Hello guys, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Prince Kiloway. If you're new to my channel, yeah, I talk about forex, crypto, and indices. So in this video, I'm going to be analyzing V751S. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. Also like the video. Alright, so guys, the first thing I usually do is whenever I want to place a trade, the first thing I usually do is to go to the higher time frame. So I'm going to start this analysis with the weekly time frame. All right, now if you look at the weekly time frame, this V711S is really on the downtrend. And if I look at I'm going to use my horizontal lines. This is the market is really on the very key level. Remember, for those who have watched my videos on supply and demand zone, because these are zones where market whenever market gets to this point, it has some kind of reaction. So the market is literally approaching this key level. All right, so we use daily, okay, we use weekly time frame to map out these levels. The market is approaching this level at the moment, so you can see that clearly the market is actually on a downtrend. All right, but first of all, let's map out these levels so we know where to take our trades. We know how to place our trade. Remember, we are only placing trade when price gets to these key levels. We are not trading except price is on the key level. All right, so I have this my two key levels mapped out. So I'm going to go to my daily time frame to see what the price is doing on the daily time frame. Now when looking at this market, you see that the market is stuck between this level. Market is stuck between this level and the down. All right, so what I'm expecting this market to do is to come to this level here. Let me show you. I'm expecting this market to come down here, all right, to form some kind of support before the market may likely turn to the upside. So before market may likely turn to the upside this direction. So I'm going to, of course, draw my trend line too, because I work with trend lines as well. If you with daily time frame, you know that the market is actually on a downtrend. You see, market is on a downtrend. Let me zoom up a little bit. Market is actually on a downtrend, so we're expecting this market to keep coming down, except this downtrend is going to be violated. Except this market is going to, when I say violated, I'm talking about the market breaking this trend line. But for now, you can see clearly that the market is still respecting that our line. So we expect this V7175X 1X to keep coming down to this level for a possible reaction, possible reaction here. So if you are watching this market, you can be watching out till the price gets to this level for a possible buy reaction. Right? Okay, so I'm expecting this price to come down here. So if you're already in a sell, you need to keep holding your sell, except price is going to break this through this trend line. When price does that, let's say price break through here. All right, if it breaks through this trend line, and then give us a retest. Let's say price do this, it breaks through this trend line, and then give us some kind of retest. Then we'll now know that of course the direction of the market has changed. But I'm still seeing, for now, though everything is under probability, I'm still seeing this price coming to this key level, this particular key level here, before most likely turning to the upside. But for now, the market is still on a downtrend. If you have a trade opportunity, if price gets to this up here, I'm coming. If price gets to react to, maybe turn by, retraces, pull back to this trend line, you can still take your sell. Yeah, you can still take your sell. If price come to this trend line, you can still take your sell. All right, but you don't have to. Let's go to the daily, the 4 hours time frame. You don't take your trade with the daily time frame or the weekly time frame, but the weekly time frame clearly shows you the reaction. You can see clearly that according to even the 4 hours time frame, market is respecting our trend line. You see, so where I'm pointing here is where price may likely, if price is going to do what they call pullback or retracement, if price retraces to that trend line, you may still have to pile on with yourself, because for now the price is too down. I wouldn't advise somebody to sell, except you can still do a counter. Sometimes you can still do a counter trend line. Let me delete this. All right, let's see if we can do a counter trend line to see if we can take short entries. All right, sometimes you can still have a counter trend line like this. If the market is not showing a rest, market keep coming down straight, if the sellers are so strong, we can still take a counter trend line. But I'm more comfortable working with this other trend line. All right, I'm more comfortable working with this other trend line. Otherwise, I am not going to sell this market until, of course, it gets to that's our let me use the daily time frame again. Until it gets to this point, when the market may likely, you see, the market is even on a zone, even here as I speak, the market is already on a zone, because with the daily time frame, you can see that this was a turning point. Seeing that this was a turning point. Look at the turn here, a candlestick pattern here. Look at the candlestick pattern here. If you see something like this on a zone, that is a clear indication that price may likely go to the upside. So we are expecting this market to come down a little bit to this zone. Let me go to a lower time frame. All right, so selling right now is, in my own opinion, is a little bit late. You need to know that price cannot be selling forever. All right, price cannot be selling forever, but for now the sell has stayed very strong. But I'm expecting price to get to this yellow line, and then it will give us a kind of candlestick formation, and then maybe it will keep going to the upside. But before the upline will be, the uptrend will be identified fully, it has to break to this particular trend line and then come back for a retest. But you can still buy on this yellow line and then maybe take your profit on this red line. That is a short buy before, if it breaks through this our main trend line and retest, then you can say, okay, the buyers have come and probably they will take the market to this other upside, this yellow line here, this line, this particular key level. So for now, we expect this price to react on this key level. Is already on the key level. So if you are buying, if you are waiting for, if you are trading V751S, you should be getting ready for buys, because price is approaching a very key level. I hope this video helps you. I hope you understand what I just explained. So you only trade when the price is on key levels, whether either is on trend line, on a key trend line, or on the supply and demand zones, or retest, or you trade breakout. So I'm going to come with several videos to even show you how you can trade breakout. So I hope you like the video, you enjoy the video. I hope you learned something from the video. Share the video if you like it. Also subscribe to the YouTube channel if you are new. All right, I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.